Nandito ako sa pharmacy to get my medication. Kunin muna natin ang ating gamot at naitawag na natin yan. Okay? Hello there. Alright, so nakita nyo, kumuha tayo ng gamot sa pharmacy. So, maintenance ang importante sa atin. Alright, so itutuloy natin yung ating mga pag-uusap regarding sa love team na si Bianca at si Dustin. Alright, so number one, congratulations sa kala Dustin at kala Bianca, and of course sa kanilang mga partners o kaduo nila. This is Shuvi kay Bianca and then Cyril kay Dustin. I tell you, malakas talaga ang kay Bianca and yung kay Shuvi. Kay Cyril, I'd like to think malakas din eh. So, to be real honest, I don't know. Ito yung kahirapan with itong duos na sistema nila ng ABS-CBN at ang GMA partnership, dahil hindi mo pinpoint kung sino talaga yung malakas, kung sino yung nagdadala sa mga boto or yung nagpro-provide sa mga boto, you know. Kay Shuvi, obviously, you know, yung personality niya, yung presence niya is there. Cyril, not as much, pero I'd like to think malakas na bagay, and I guess between personality and or presence and a storyline, malakas rin ang storyline. In fact, yun talagang nagdadala. Pero I don't know, itong kay Dustin at yung kay Bianca, marami rin ang nata-turn off. You know, nakikita mo naman sa comments, marami ang parang not a fan. Kumbaga, nauumay na sila. And in fact, little development, yun na nga yun. Una, wala eh. Puro na lang magkasama. And pag lagi kayong magkasama, talagang that's going to be a score against you dahil na-isolate na yung sarili nyo. Although, yung kay Bianca and kay Shuvi automatically nominated. Pero yun ang mga pangyayari. So, pero as we see na yung excitement for Dustin and kay Bianca has waned down. Of course, merong na mga fans and sa love team na ito. Pero I feel it may turn off yung mga viewers. I think dapat kumalma. And yet, to me as a viewer, ako mas interesado ako sa ganun. Pero it may even turn off kay Bianca and Dustin. When wala naman sila talagang pinapakita na masakwa o masama. I see it as natural. I guess yung kilig moment, nawala eh. I think that's it. Nangyari lang yung kilig. Pinakakilig talaga was during the time na nalasing si Pops, no? During the boys' night out. And yun nga, I think yun yung pinaka-height nung kilig. And then, because right away si Bianca parang mas open right away. Instead na parang huminto-hinto, pumreno-preno si Bianca kay Dustin. So it was easy for Dustin na makuha yung emotions ni Bianca. So that's why nawala yung kilig factor kaagad. Interesting. So parang nagplateau yung interest ng mga tao sa Dustbia. Malaking bagay yun. Dapat si Bianca could have like softened it a bit. Pero interesting naman, baliktad naman itong si AZ with Ralph. AZ was kinda giving all the hints naman kay Ralph. And Ralph, let's see kung kung bibigay agad, ipapakita ba agad ni Ralph. Kasi nakikita ko talaga Ralph is now more open, but we shall find out. Kanino ba kayo mas kikiligin? Kay Dustin at Bianca or kay AZ and Ralph? Alright, again, this is Kuya Mike of the Kuyakoy List. Until next time.